Hey everybody, Pandi here of Pandi's Hair, Candy, and More. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, welcome. If we are already chat family, welcome back to the channel. You already know what it is. You all, I want to first say thank you very much for taking a moment out of your busy day to stop by and visit my channel. I really appreciate it. You don't have to do it, so I want to thank you and let you know I appreciate you. Over here, for the most part, my channel is based on hair, both natural hair as well as wigs. However, I like to consider this a variety channel. I have a wide variety of content that I host over here. It ranges from product reviews to TV reviews, game nights, and just random chit-chat live streams. So you're going to find a wide variety of mixture over here. And this is just yet the latest addition to my channel lineup. This is my new Ask Pandi series. And today is my very first episode. So what Ask Pandi is it's similar to like what they used to do back in the day in your local newspaper. There would be like an Ask Steve or Ask Joanne, Ask Edna, segment in your local newspaper. And it was an opportunity where the public could participate and write in with their questions around whatever subject. And the editor would typically respond back in the next week's article. So that is kind of where I got the idea from, and that is what I'm doing. I will be linking my YouTube email in the description box of this video. So I encourage you, if you are ever interested in posing a question and you'd like for me to answer it here on the channel, please feel free to drop a line to the email. Please make sure that it is not inappropriate nor disrespectful, because I promise you it will get paid dust. And that's just that on that. I am not a drama channel. I am all about positivity, growth, motivation, and encouragement. Okay? So yeah, without further ado, let's jump right into this email. Okay? I'm going to read it and then I'm going to give y'all my real-time response. Okay? So let's see. The email reads, "Hey Pandi, so my question is this. If you have a membership and someone joins that has a membership, is it expected that you become a member of their channel in exchange for them being a member of yours? Because it feels like degrading the membership, and like I could have just kept my $1.99 and it could kept theirs. Hope this makes sense. If not, feel free to let me know. Thanks in advance. I am so looking forward to your answer." And that's that in a nutshell, guys. Now, let me put this into perspective for those of you who may be like, what? Membership? What? Okay, so we are here on YouTube as a platform. So this email is obviously from a fellow content creator. One of the other facts that I forgot to mention is that in this particular series, I will not be revealing the identity of the person who submits the email to me unless they actually ask me to do so. I want to, continue to protect your privacy and your identity, just so that people will feel comfortable even contacting me and sharing their questions with me. That is one thing you will never have to worry about. I'm cut from a different type of cloth, so you're not going to get that type of foolishness with me. Okay? So that's first and foremost. So basically, this question is in regards to the YouTube channel memberships. And what my perspective and my take is on the question is it expected that if you join my channel membership, that I now have to join yours? Okay? That's what I got from that whole email in a nutshell. And I'm going to break it down to you like this. And this is just Pandi's perspective, okay? My perspective may not be the same as everybody else's. And that is why it's such a beautiful thing that the comment section is listed down below, okay? I feel like it varies from content creator to content creator. You are going to find with certain people here on the platform that they are not genuinely there to support you. They are genuinely here looking at their numbers and how you can benefit them. Okay? So they may join your channel with the hope and expectation that you will turn around and join theirs. They are not looking to support your channel. They're not looking to attend any of your live streams. You won't even in fact see them in any of your comments. It's simply a numbers game with them, and they're trying to grow their platform. Period, point blank. That's the way I see it. Now, I'm not here to knock anybody's hustle, but it is what it is, okay? So you have your people that fall into that category. On the second hand, I feel like you have people who are here genuinely rocking with you and supporting you and definitely want to see you win. They are at your live streams when they can catch you. When they can't catch you, they're hitting up the replay and they're dropping a comment to let you know they hit the replay up. They are all up and through the comments on your uploads. You know, they're super chatting, they're cash apping, they're supporting, they're participating, they're actively engaging in the content that you are providing on your channel. So I feel like in those instances, you know what? I'm really feeling this person's content. Oh, cool. They got a channel membership. Oh, cool. It's $1.99. I'm going to go ahead and rock with them because I can get behind what it is they're putting out. I enjoy the content that they're bringing forth. I like them as a person and I like what they're doing on YouTube. You see where I'm going with that? So I don't feel like it's an expected thing. Now, like I said, you got your people over here that subliminally and unspoken, they're going to come at you with, well, man, I joined you. What's up? You know what I'm saying? And trust, I have seen it all. So I feel like it's on us to use our discernment and use it wisely and go from there. I really hope that I answered your question to the person who emailed me, and I hope that I answered anyone else's who may be catching this replay's question if this is a question that you may have had, because I've struggled with this one myself. All right, so going forward, y'all, any questions that you may have, they don't have to necessarily be YouTube related. They can be related to life. They can be related to motherhood, work, politics, what have you. As long as they are not inappropriate or disrespectful, drop me a line and I'm going to bring it to the platform and we're going to answer it. Thank you all so much for rocking with your girl. I'm Pandi of Pandi's Hair Candy and More. You all stay safe out there and stay encouraged. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.